Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's make some soap. The temperatures for my lye water and oils are both in the 90s, so we are ready to start mixing. I'm going to pour the lye water slowly down the stick blender to help avoid any air bubbles, give it a quick stir, and start blending. Okay, now that everything is incorporated, I'm going to split my batter up into a few different containers for the different colors that we'll be using today. Got 4 colors for today, going with a light green shade, a blue, pink, and a white. Today we're using a fragrance from Brambleberry called Sea Salt and Lily, and it's described as having notes of coconut water, pink Himalayan salt, key lime, lotus, rose, sage leaf, lemon, and grapefruit, with bottom notes of seashell, orange blossom, magnolia, and jasmine. Now that the fragrance is all mixed in, we are ready to pour the soap batter into the mold. My thoughts for the design today was to do the bottom with the light green, then layer the other colors, and then come in with the hanger tool for some swirls. You can see here the soap batter is starting to get pretty thick, so my hopes and dreams of having these beautiful swirls are starting to fade. here I am coming in with the hanger tool, and as you can see, this batter is very thick. I'm barely getting this tool through. I'm starting to worry a little bit about what these swirls are going to look like. Okay, now it's time to make the top of this soap look pretty. And right about here, I'm changing my mind about what the top looks like, so we're going to try something else. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some white bursting beads to the top just to make it look a little cuter. Here is our finished soap for today. We're going to go ahead and put this away for about 24 hours and then come back for the cut. Here we are about 24 hours later, and we are ready to unmold this soap and see what it looks like on the inside. Okay, here comes our first cut. Let's see if we got any swirls. Not bad, not exactly the design I was going for, but we did get a few swirls in there. It still looks pretty and it smells amazing. Thanks everyone for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.